Hello everyone. This is a short class to learn about English language with me. As you know, English has become an important part of our learning and it is more easier to learn than other languages. Today I am going to discuss some basic topics with you of this language. Those are nouns and pronouns. Let's start with the nouns. You may also call them naming words. Now, what are the nouns? Listen carefully. The words which are used to indicate someone or something, they are called nouns. I repeat, the words which are used to indicate someone or something. You may note it. So these can be the name of any person, any animal, or anything or any place. Okay, you may say name of any person, place, thing, or animal. For example, Sita, Rohit, Delhi, dog, fan, and etc. Means name of anything, name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, and name of an animal. The words which indicate someone, it can be a boy, it can be a girl, anything. Now let's start with another topic, that is pronouns. Pronouns. This is one of the most important part of the English language and it is very easy to learn. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used instead of the naming words, in place of the naming words. Wherever you use any name, you can use the pronoun in place of it. So pronouns are very common to use in our daily life. There are 7 basic pronouns. There are seven basic pronouns. They are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So these must be learned to know more about this language. You can learn these by repeating them again and again. So let's know about each of them. First one is I. I indicates me. In Punjabi we say main. Main. Next one is we. When do we use the pronoun we? When 2 or more than 2 persons are sitting together and I am included in them, then we use this pronoun. ਜਦੋਂ 2 ਜਾਂ 2 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਣੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠਾ, ਜਦੋਂ 2 ਜਾਂ 2 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਣੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠਾ, then we use we ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ. ठीक है. Next is you. You indicates the other person who is sitting with you, who is talking to you, who is around to you. Okay. Punjabi. In Punjabi we say tu. He. We use he for boys and she for girls. It. We use it for anything, the name of anything. And the last one is they. We use the pronoun they when two or more than two persons are sitting together but I am not with them. ਜਦੋਂ ਦੋ ਜਾਂ ਦੋ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਣੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, then we use they. And in Punjabi we say oh. Now for example we can say Rohit is studying. Now what is the naming word here? Rohit. So you may Rohit, and Rohit is the name of a boy, and I have already told you for boys what pronoun we use? He. So we can also write here he is studying. The another example is Raj and I are running. Now we two are there, Raj and I. ਹੁਣ ਰਾਜ ਵੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਆ. I have already told you when two or more than persons are together and I am with them. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, then we use we. So instead of these naming words I can write we are running. The another example is Seema and Raj are talking. Now there are two persons, two naming words, but I am not included in them. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੋ ਜਣੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, then what we use they. We will use they are talking. So these are the pronouns, and you don't have any need to repeat the naming words again and again in a passage. You use the pronouns. It makes your writing more attractive and you speak very fluently with the help of these pronouns. Thank you very much. I hope you liked and you have understood the topic very well.